Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making zucchini boats with ground meat and cheese. A cozy, light and healthy dish, perfect for quick preparation or even a simple romantic dinner. Zucchini is good for your health in many ways, such as digestion, immune system, eyes, heart. Please check the description below for the history and health benefits of the ingredients I use. Let's get started. First, we need 3/4 zucchinis. I'm using 3 here. Cut the end parts. Then you have to slice all of them lengthwise. Scoop out the centers, and I just want to show you it's much easier this way, but be careful with your hands. And also keep the insides. We will chop these up later. Add some olive oil in a small bowl. Also add a bit of salt and black pepper. Mix them well. Line the hollowed zucchinis on a baking tray on the baking paper. Spread the olive oil mix on the zucchinis. Pop them into a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius. They'll roast here until tender and brownish on the sides for about 25-30 minutes. While that's happening, let's prep the filling. Heat the pan and then send the chopped onions inside. And then send the minced meat inside and season it with a pinch of salt to draw out the moisture. Cook the meat until it is brown. Now let's add the chopped zucchini centers, green and capia, red pepper, let's add the spices, 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic, Italian mix, oregano, turmeric, red and black pepper. All the details will be in the description below, guys. Let's add half a tablespoon of tomato paste, half tablespoon of red pepper paste, and very little chopped dill and parsley with 2 garlic chopped in small pieces. Stir it all together, mix everything well. It looks lovely, guys. It's quick, packed with veggies and lean protein. If you want extra depth, you can add a splash of wine. Don't worry, the alcohol cooks off. Or just add a bit of bone broth. The choice is yours, of course. The zucchinis are ready to be stuffed. They held their shape, actually. Let's stuff them. Mix half a tablespoon of tomato paste, oregano, red and black pepper, and add 1 hot glass of water. This mixture will be poured on each zucchini. Time to stuff the zucchinis. Let's add the sauce on top of each zucchini. And let's also add the cheese. Don't forget to be generous. And this is the picture I got. I added also a slice of green pepper and tomato. It looks beautiful. Let's put it back into the oven. 108 degrees Celsius. No fan. Until the cheese melts and turns golden. It takes about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's tidy up and set the plates. Look at that cheesy goodness, guys. Serve these straight from the oven. They're hearty, healthy, and sure to warm up any winter night or cozy dinner for 2. Thanks for cooking with me. If you try this, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bon appetit.